think I will check in Google Translate how to translate it wąskotorowa. I will be needed for name for the movies. And I was thinking to go to see that ruins from castle, but that was really ruins, nothing special. And thanks to my luck, I see train museum for free. I really thanks that woman that I can record it. Some kind of snowplow. Sorry to say that, but something stinks here. And this is obrotnica, ale for changing direction for the train, I think. $70 horsepower. $915. No, w sumie it's almost half before 3 o'clock, so I will be driving back soon. And Friday I plan to go to Częstochowa, to the Holy Mountain. I think it's Holy Mountain. I don't know how to translate it. Jasna Góra.